they're here. The guy's setting up to unload them. Got lots of power lines and stuff. It's going to be a little tricky. So we're going to try to set them in this vacant lot here. So the tricky part is the top three's got to be set aside because that's my first ones I start. So we can't just unload them, set them all on the ground. So we got to get the top three off, set them aside somehow, then get the rest off and put those on top. So he's setting all up, got it downriggers down. Like to race the truck a long ways up. Spinning around, got all them power lines back there. Ready to lift the first ones. They're actually a pretty massive truss. Each truss weighs 300 pounds. And I got a double that weighs 600 pounds. And then they didn't load them right at the yard. So we got to take these off somehow and set them. And then lift them back up, or put the other ones down, then lift these back up and put on the bottom. I'm gonna go see if I can help him a little. We got the one set, so now we gotta figure out how we can set these other ones down here. Because these are the ones I need off first. Pretty massive trusses, 2x10s on the bottom, 2x8s top, and all the wedges. 2x6. Like I say, each truss is 300 pounds. Gonna re-rig them. That was a little off-center. Those right there are over a ton. Trying to do a little video here, plus keep them from hitting. Kind of hard to video and try to guide them, and I'll do what I can. Well, they're down on the ground. Sorry, but I had to guide them. So they're here now. Oh, we got 2 piles. And we'll just start picking them tomorrow, setting them up.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.